First off, we'll try by generating a UUID. So we'll close all the folders and navigate to server npm install UUID. This will automatically generate a random unique ID for you whenever the function is called. So we'll go to our routes and go to our signup route and import UUID. So import v4 as UUID from UUID. If you want to understand this technicality, you can go to their documentation and read about it. So we'll come below password hash and create a verification string variable equals to UUID, call the function. So we'll come to the object we're sending to a database and include our verification string. Yes. So after that, we'll come below the results and do a try catch block. In the try block, we're going to await event manager dot emit. That's to send the email once the user has been created. Verify email. So I'll go and check my event and copy this log and paste it so I won't make mistake. Comma. We'll add what we're sending, which as the payload, which is the email and the message. So email. Okay, so now I'm thinking of how I could attach message to this function call. Okay, let me see. Let's create a variable here. Message equals to, I type what I need, which is, if you're reading this, then it's okay. It works. Okay. So we come back to the parameters and send it as an object. Email and message text. Come to a catch block, console.log error, then response to send status 500. Yes. Okay. Everything is working fine. So basically, I'll put this message text in a back tip so that I'll be able to attach the verification string or the verification variable to the message. Thanks for signing up. To proceed, can you click verify your email address by clicking the link? So that link now will be our verification string. So basically we'll attach our verification string to our server URL. But in this case, I'm working on a local host. So I'm just going to do that. Attach my localhost URL to the verification string. So that once I click it on the email, it will take me straight to the route I need to verify the email. So that being done, we'll go and start the client. Navigate to server, npm run dev. Oh, I did npm run nodemon, which is wrong. So npm run dev. So this is going to load. Give it a time. So the user is logged in and logged out. Come back, create account and sign up. Type my email at gmail.com. Then type password. Confirm password. Expect to look at how things are going. And I click sign up. Okay, it's not working. Check network. I click sign up. Okay, I'm getting an error here. I think it's a network error. Yes, this is a network error. Oh, I'm not connected. Okay, so I'll just connect my Wi-Fi. So it's a network error. Okay, it's taking time to see my network. Okay, yeah, that's it. iPhone users and network automatically disconnecting by itself after some while. I don't know, iPhone, they need to update that. So my database is connected. Then I go back to my browser and click sign up. And the token is generated. Yes, that's generated. Then go back to my Gmail account. Then I check. You see, it's coming. It's not even going to my spam folder, which is a very good thing. Look at it here. Everything working nice and clean. Oh, okay. Message string undefined. Wow. Okay. That means the payload is not reaching there. Yeah. But first of all, I'll go to my user model and add this verification string so that it will be able to include itself in the database and perform the search when it's trying to verify an email. Type string required, obviously true. Okay, we're done with that. So what next? I'm going to delete all this obsolete data that doesn't have verification string. I'm going to delete them. Then I'll create a new user. Okay. Basically, I'll change this message text to message so that everything will align with the way the server is being set up. When I come back here, visit dominicazuka@gmail.com. Then I type in my password, confirm password, sign up. Yep, it works. So go to my Gmail, refresh my messages. Yep, it's there. I scroll down, see everything. It's working nice and clean.